Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to craft rail and railcart in Hytale. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, as you can see from here, first of all we're going to go and approach any wooden tree and we're going to chop down some wood logs. Because wood logs were going to be the most important thing that we're going to collect and we will need a lot of it. So, once we have a decent amount of wood logs and we collect some stone rubles from the ground, we're going to press tab, then create our workbench. Once you create the workbench and craft it, you're going to place it wherever you want. Then once you open it, you're going to make sure that you can upgrade it to tier 2. This won't work unless you upgrade it to the second tier, which will require 30 copper ingots, 20 iron ingots, and linen scraps, which you can collect from mobs, and those you can mine for the ores, and then use any furnace to create from ores to normal ingots. And then finally, once you have it upgraded, then you can just switch to this section. And as you can see from here, any planks or any iron ingots that you have can be created to a rail cart and a rail for it. So if we have everything, then you can just click on craft and there you go, now you have it. And for the rail, you can just craft it again and also you can have that. And so from here, if you empty anything from your inventory and you collect it, then as you can see from here, now we have it. And if we click on the ground and we just place it, and then we click on the railcart itself, we can interact with it, and then we can go forward with W and back with S, such a movement. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.